Magandang mga katrip. Muli na naman po tayo mag-aatid ng aming paglalakbay sa Barangay Dalahican, Infanta, Quezon. Sana po inyong panoorin. Watch for it.
This is Dalahican, Infanta, Quezon. There. Hindi ako naglalakad tayo.
Oh, may takre.
Ano? Ano ito? Dinalahican Fort.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
Yun po, natapos na po ang aming adventure. Salamat sa mga nanood. And bye-bye. Boom!
Thank you for watching.